In this video, we listed the 5 best 3D printer under $500 on AliExpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Creality Ender 3 V3 SE. The Creality 3D printers offer advanced features and capabilities for efficient and precise 3D printing. The first model, the Creality Ender 3 V3 KE, boasts a build volume of 20,240 mm and features like auto leveling, a 32-bit silent mainboard, and a 4.3 color touchscreen. With a printing speed of up to 500 mm/s and support for a variety of filaments, including PLA, PETG, ABS, and TPU, this printer provides versatility and high performance. The second model, the Creality CR10 SE, stands out with its rapid printing speed of up to 600 mm/s and precision linear rails for accuracy. The printer features auto leveling, a powerful model cooling fan, and an upgraded Sprite direct extrusion system for smooth feeding. With support for LAN and cloud printing, as well as a range of optional accessories for customization, the CR10 SE offers flexibility and convenience. Both models come with CE certification, ensuring quality and safety in their mainland China origin. Number 2. ANYCUBIC Photon Mono M5S. The ANYCUBIC Photon Mono X 8.9 kg 3D printer offers high precision and efficiency for resin-based 3D printing. With a slice thickness of 10 micrometers and a maximum printing speed of 105 mm/HR, this printer delivers detailed prints at a rapid pace. The machine features auto leveling, a 10.1 monochrome exposure screen with 12K resolution, and a laser engraving aluminum alloy build platform for durability and precision. Operating on the ANYCUBIC system, the printer supports UV resin filament and offers a large printing volume of 190 ounces. The machine is equipped with a 4.3 TFT touch control panel, USB and Wi-Fi data input options, and a leveling-free system for easy operation. CE certified and originating from mainland China, the ANYCUBIC Photon Mono X is a reliable and advanced 3D printing solution for enthusiasts and professionals alike. Number 3. FLSUN SR FDM 3D printer. The FLSUN SR 3D printer from mainland China offers a range of advanced features for efficient and high-quality 3D printing. With a large printing size of 260 mm x 330 mm and support for various 1.75 mm diameter filaments like PLA, ABS, and HIPS, this printer caters to diverse printing needs. It features a 3-axis linkage system that enables printing speeds of 150 to 200 mm/s, controlled by a 32-bit motherboard with TMC 2209 mute drive for smooth and quiet operation. The printer includes a double-gear extruder, lattice glass printing hotbed for better adhesion and easier model removal, and an automatic leveling system for convenience. The full-color capacitive touchscreen enhances user experience, and the modular assembly design allows for quick setup in just 10–15 minutes. With a resume printing function for power outages, the FLSUN Super Racer ensures uninterrupted printing sessions. The package includes essential tools, accessories, and a user manual to support users in their 3D printing endeavors. This CE-certified printer offers precision, versatility, and reliability for both beginners and experienced users. Number 4. ANYCUBIC Photon Mono X. The ANYCUBIC Photon Mono X 6Ks is a cutting-edge resin 3D printer that elevates your printing experience with its high-resolution capabilities and advanced features. Boasting a remarkable 6K resolution, this printer ensures unmatched detail and precision in your prints, bringing them to life with exceptional clarity. Equipped with state-of-the-art LCD technology, the Photon Mono X 6Ks delivers faster curing times and more efficient printing, enabling you to create high-quality models in less time. With a spacious build volume and compatibility with a wide range of resins, This printer offers versatility for various projects, whether artistic creations or functional prototypes. The upgraded components like the 9.1-inch 6K screen, stable dual linear rail system, and laser-engraved build platform enhance printing accuracy and success rates. The inclusion of the ANYCUBIC Photon Workshop 3.0 slicer software further improves the slicing experience, making it easier to prepare your models for printing. This CE-certified printer from mainland China is a top choice for users seeking exceptional print quality and performance in their 3D printing endeavors. Number 5. Sovol SV06 Plus 3D Printer. The Sovol SV06 Plus is a feature-packed FDM 3D printer designed to meet the demands of both beginners and experienced users. With a maximum printing speed of 150 mm/s and a precision of 0.1 mm, this printer offers fast and accurate printing for a wide range of projects. It is equipped with a 350W Creality power supply and supports various filaments including TPU, PLA, ABS, PETG, and wood, providing versatility in material choices. The printer is compatible with popular slicing software such as Cura, Simplify 3D, and Prusa Slicer, and accepts G-code file format for seamless printing. Operating on Windows, Mac, and Linux systems, the Sovol SV06 Plus offers flexibility in connectivity and usage. Its CE certification ensures safety and quality standards are met, and with a bed temperature of 300 degrees Celsius, users can experiment with different materials and achieve excellent print adhesion. This mainland China-made printer with a user-friendly interface and reliable performance is a valuable addition to any maker's toolkit.